Hello everyone, welcome to Jacmakeliz Digital. I am Engineer Jacinta. In today's video, I will show you how to remove background from pictures using such websites such as www.remove.bg and www.focalclipping.com. You don't necessarily have to have space on your phone to use the above website I just mentioned. And the two websites, remove.bg and focalclipping.com, have their mobile version in the Play Store. We will start with the first website, www.remove.bg. Then you click on Go on your search bar. You click on Upload Image. You click on the picture you want to use. Right now it's uploading. You wait patiently for it to upload. It has uploaded. We can click download right now. I want to also show you how to edit your picture. That's, you can make your background of your picture blurry. You can see. You can also change the background of your picture. You can see to any background that you want. You can see. You can see how beautiful it is. Wow, see how beautiful it is. And you can also change the color of your picture. Let's go. If you can make it red, you can make it pink. You can make it blue. Any color that you want. You can use yellow. You can also make it yellow. But right now, I want to remove the background of the picture. You click on this, then you click on download. You can decide to share it if you want. Right now, it has downloaded, so you open it. So this is how to remove background from picture. For us to remove background from pictures, we're going to use www.focalclipping.com on our search bar. Research. So this is the interface of the photo clipping. So we'll click on upload image. We'll click on the image we want to use. Right now it's trying to upload the image. You wait patiently for it to upload. So right now it has uploaded the image. We can decide to download straight or we edit the picture. Right now let me show you how to edit the picture. We go to edit. We can adjust the picture. You can also change the background to any color that you want. Pink, blue, any color that you want. Red. You can also go back. You can also crop the picture. You can use any size that you want. But right now, I just want to use this. I still want to maintain this. I want to maintain this size. Then you click on download. It has successfully been downloaded. Then you open it. You have downloaded your picture and you have finally removed your background from your picture. This is how to remove background from the two websites I mentioned above. Remove www.remove.bg and www.focalclipping.com. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. See you in my next video. Bye bye.